Hello students, myself Patricia, English teacher. Students, today we are going to see the reteaching of English Literature Unit 8, Going to Buy a Book. This story, Going to Buy a Book, is written by Rukmini Banerjee. We have already done with this lesson, but let's have a recap of this lesson. One day grandfather gave my brother and me some money. So one day grandfather gave a boy and a girl some money and he told them to go and buy the books. So both these children, they were very happy. Why? Because they love to read the books. Then both this girl and boy, they were very happy. So they were just discussing whether they should go now, whether they should go later, or whether they should go today, or whether they should go tomorrow. At last, these two children, they decided to go at the same time, that is right now. Then after that, they were thinking whether they should go to the big market, whether they should go to the small shop, or whether they should go with somebody, or whether they should go alone. So they were just discussing among themselves whether they have to go to big market or to the small shop or with somebody else, or whether they should go alone. And at last they decided to go to the small shop, and they just both of them went alone, not with anyone else. We like the small bookshop. It is small, but it has many books. The man in the shop like us, he always helps us. So this both the children, they went to a small bookshop, and in that bookshop there were many books. They were small, they were big also. And the man in the shop, he was very happy to see these children, and he helped the children. Then later on they decided to buy a book with lot of pictures. They were just thinking whether they should buy a book with stories or whether they should buy a thin book. So at last what they were thinking, whether they should buy a book with lot of pictures or lot of stories, or whether they should buy a thin book. And they were not able to decide what has to be done. We did not know which book to buy. The man in the shop smiled at us. Relax, come with me, he said. So these children were very much puzzled. They were not knowing which book to buy. So the man in the shop, he smiled at both these children and he told, relax, don't be worried. Come with me. I will help you to choose the books. And he showed the books about animals. He showed the books about machines. And those over there are about wars. And he pointing the books in the shelves, he told that those books are about the wars. And take book whichever you want, take what you want, whichever books you like, whether you like of animals, whether you like of machines, whether you like of wars, take whichever you like. And these children, one of them picked the book, some books. I picked some books, my brother picked some books. So the girl picked some books and the boy picked some books. Both of them sat on the floor. One of them sat on the floor and the other sat on the chair. And they went on reading and reading and reading because they loved the books. They loved to read the books and they were very, very happy. It was very quiet. There was no sound at all. 1 hour passed, 2 hours passed. So the library was very, very quiet. There was no pin drop silence. And there was complete pin drop silence in the library. Hours and hours passed away. 1 hour passed, 2 hours passed. And finally, they knew which books to buy. The man in the bookshop smiled at us. So the man in the bookshop smiled at both the children. I got a fat book with many stories. My brother got a big book with many pictures. So the girl got a fat book with many stories, whereas the boy got a big book with many pictures, and both of them were very, very happy. And taking these books, they ran home to their grandfather. And what did they do, children? They climbed on the bed and they put his arms around us, and then so both of the children, they put the arms on the grandfather's shoulder. They read and read and read. They were very happy and they went on reading and reading and reading, and at last they were very happy. So this is about the lesson Going to Buy a Book. I hope so children, you have understood this lesson. Thank you students.